Hey guys, T here. We cut down an oak tree a while back, and what's grown up from the remnants of that stump is is all of these shoots, and I mean some of them are like that size, and it just looks like a big stupid bush, not like an oak tree at all. But I want to do something with it. I don't want to just have it be an eyesore. So I got this cotton twine. I'm going to tie up some of those shoots and see if I can't make an archway of some kind or something so that it looks pretty cool. We'll see. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Please subscribe. Let's get to work. Here's what sprouted from an old oak tree. I I can't believe this is an oak because the leaves don't look like oak. But down here is an oak stump, and all of these seem to be around there. So I'm not quite sure what this is, but we're going to do something with it. We're going to kind of prune it off and see what we can do with it. Make it, I don't know, look kind of cool or not. So please subscribe, guys. Hit the bell if you want notification. We're going to do some snipping. So we snipped off most of the extraneous branches to give us some straight branches. And we're going to weave them together. I don't know what this is going to look like, but it might be fun to do. So here we go. Well, this is what we've got so far. I don't know. Maybe it's just a big mess. Um, we're trying to weave it into some kind of archway. Christmas Day, 2023. January 30, 2024. We have March 25. April 23, 2024. April 26, 2024. April 29, 2024. I like it. I think it's pretty cool. But then there's this. You know, this is not an oak tree. I mean, you look at these leaves. They're not oak tree leaves. So I thought, well, maybe it's an ash tree because we have lots of those around here as well. So I went to the internet and I looked up ash trees, and here's what leaves look like. They're not serrated. These leaves are serrated. So I don't know what it is, except it's a pretty cool little arbor, if you will. So I think it was successful. So thanks for tuning in, guys, and going through that journey. And please subscribe. I'll see you next time.